Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share another VPN app that will help secure your connection and add an extra layer of protection while you're online. This app is available on the Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store and search for JN Tunnel. Make sure to select the correct app by checking the name and icon, then install it on your device. Once installed, tap Open to start the setup. If you're new here, take a moment to like this video, share it and subscribe for more useful content. When the app opens, the first step is to update its resources. Tap the Update button and choose Online Update. This ensures the app is running the latest version and provides the best service while securing your connection. Next, select a server. I recommend using Auto Server, which automatically picks the best server for your location. You can also manually choose a server from the list if you prefer. After selecting the server, choose a connection method. For this guide, we'll use All World UDP, which is fast and secure. If UDP isn't working in your country, simply select your country from the list. Finally, tap the Start button to connect. Once connected, your internet is secured with extra protection and your online experience is enhanced. That's how you set up JN Tunnel VPN for a fast and secure connection. If you found this guide helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.